Mobility Solutions.
Got another Paiseec sent to me, S3. I want to thank the CEO of Paiseec. He's reached out to me after watching our video on the 3-in-1, which is fixed. I mentioned everyone that contacts me, when I do my reviews, I do honest reviews. Let's hope that this turns out good. Oh, it's not that heavy. All right, let's turn this bad boy on.
Come on, man, we're not done yet. Anything else we're gonna talk about?
Oh man, it's Tuesday. We're shooting videos. We shoot videos on Tuesday for you, and yeah, it's a lot of work. So be thankful for this channel. I like to refer to myself as the Robin Hood.
Yeah,
Robin Hood. Got another Paiseec sent to me, S3. I want to thank the CEO of Paiseec. He's reached out to me after watching our video on the 3-in-1, which is fixed. I don't think you're going to have the problem that we had. I will say that they did get the part out to us very quickly, and we're able to fix it very easily. So things do just happen. So he goes, can you take another shot in reviewing a product? And I have a friend in Rock Hill, South Carolina that actually has one of these. He likes it, but we're going to talk to him about a real customer review that's been using one of these later. I'm going to go into this blind, the unboxing, just like you would. Paiseec is a company that's really starting to explode, I guess you can say. So why not join them? Now, I haven't made the full commitment of becoming a dealer, but we could turn into a flagship dealer for them. So let's hope that this turns out good. We're not going to do too much with the unboxing, but just show you what's in the box. This is the Paiseec S3, I think. First of all, what they did last time is they give you a nice little package. What's in here, I don't know. Just a bunch of goodies probably. Not sure. We'll figure it out. I do see this charger. There's a basket I'm throwing stuff in. They send you a cover, dust cover, a bag for grocery shopping, so you don't have to waste plastic bags. It's nice. What else does they send me? Oh, a cup holder. Oh, nice little bottle holder. Cool. The little clips. Cool. So everything looks pretty well packaged. So we'll give it a good package. Here's your basket. Nice basket. I think that one thing I said I didn't know what it was is probably a cane holder. Cushion for football games. No, it's just foam. Get this open. Oh, here's something. So this is the S3, I believe. Yep, S3. Tells you everything in the package. They have an S1. Has a phone number. They do answer the phone when you call them, at least they did for me. That's very key when you're buying some of these scooters that are kind of, I would say, kind of more of a direct from overseas to you, is at least they have someone answering the phone. So that comes up. Oh, this looks cool. Remember, I'm just doing this for the first time, and I'll go over it. I know it's not going to be super light like the Autumn. And what you can do is you can cut this box and roll it out. I'm going to ask for some help because I don't feel like pulling my back out. I'm playing golf tomorrow. Help! You grabbed another wonderful Chris. We're just going to pick this thing up. Oh, it's not that heavy. Oh, that's coming up. Oh, nice. Another fold down. Yep. Something else is right here. User manual. Read it. I need you to read this and tell me everything about this unit.
You got it.
And I will talk with you tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock.
10-4.
Throw the box away. Just plain, don't throw the box away just in case you got to send it back. Throw that box away.
Gotcha.
So Paiseec has some different models, but this is the S3, and I know they have some new stuff coming out. Right now, fold it down. This is about 17 inches. And I don't know how heavy this thing is. You can do the leverage loading. That is nice. How easy that rolls. So you can prop this up and then put it in your car. Nice tires. Yep. Very nice tires. Air. So very smooth ride. Big tires. About 9 inches, man. And they're about 2 inches across, a little bit more. It looks good though. It really does. Looks can be deceiving. It's not what we're going for sometimes. We're going for quality and dependability. So now this folds up. I like that you don't have really a hydraulic feature, even though I do like it, but I also like that you don't have a knob. So right now I like this. This comes up. Now this is okay. That's how you lock it.
Is there adjustment on the handle?
No, you can't adjust it. It'll be just like this. Like I said, nothing's perfect. Without looking at the instructions, how to unfold it. Do you look at instructions?
I could.
Well, we're not. There's a lever. It's pretty tight. Let's move this. All right, let me point one thing out, and you are going to see this with some other units. I didn't want to bring up a customer that gave me a heads up, but I will say this to you, and this is very, very important. It's one thing I don't like about certain units is, like, let's say that you think this is locked. This will fold down on you. So make sure it's locked. You hear a click. Click. Check it. Arms do flip back. Seems nice. Seems like a little flimsy on the side, but everywhere else seems a good quality. I'm not very tall. Obviously taller than Louie, but not by much. So really tall people. Scotty, don't calm down. Can you sit on this at 6'4", please?
Oh, let's see. Oh, hey, man.
Be for real. 6'4", little foot. Could you ride on this all day?
Yeah.
True product review. Okay, so 6'4" passes. What he says. He's a grumpy guy too. So if he's saying this is okay,
Yeah.
because you know what he complains the most about is riding in a little car. I mean, he's a big truck, but he has a little car for long distance. And it's so.
Yeah.
You can come here.
I could ride.
Come
this
on,
all day.
you're fine. This is Paul. Yeah, he's short.
But
So-
not as short as.
As Louie. Can you sit down on this and tell me if it feels okay?
Look, a little fella like me can sit on it.
Is it okay? It's full all right?
Yes, that's
True,
great.
for
Very-
real.
Very comfortable.
Why am I signing a blank check?
Because you trust me. See you in Jamaica.
All right, have fun in
Payroll.
Jamaica.
Payroll.
Thank you, sir.
All
All
right.
right,
Is that it? I don't
that's
need to
it.
get to drive it or nothing?
Yep, you cost too much. Go. Get back to work. And how tall are you?
6'2".
All right, 6'2". Why not do it all? 5'9", 5'7", 5'6", 6'4". How much do you weigh?
About 225.
You telling the truth? Honest reviews. There's other things you'd probably rather have than this, but this is a nice unit, it seems like. We're going to find out. I would get Brandon on here, but then he'll be like, why do I got to get... Because everyone's getting on it, Brandon. Yeah, that's it. Really simple unboxing. Especially if you watch this, we make unboxing simple. Let's see what's under the hood. Battery. Now, one of my tests is a charging station on the battery, which it has it. It also has it here. So if we go back to my charger, plugs right into there, charges inside the house, leave this in the car. You can also plug it in here. There's a charger, there's your battery. You know what we do is we charge this up before we use it. Can we get this on the charger somewhere? I'm not like demanding. Am I demanding? Never? Huh?
Is 37 volt, 12 amp hour.
Oh, wow.
37 volts.
So not TSA on this battery, I guess. So it's a 37 volt, 444 watt hour lithium ion. Yeah, so it should have some torque to it. Now, I will say it's air in the tires. Now, some people want air, some people don't. But air will give it a smoother ride. Problem with air is you got to put air in the tire. Just like I got to put air in my tire for some reason. It's going flat. I got new tires on my... This is a little storage compartment with a key lock. So I kind of like that. This is removable, so you can clean it. I think it's got a 250 watt motor, which is probably very standard. All right, let's turn this bad boy on.
Oh, wow.
Reverse. So that's
Reversing. Caution, please.
so reverse. Oh, look. So left hand, right hand doesn't matter. You got to put it in reverse.
Reversing. Caution, please.
I'm wondering if that can be turned off though.
Yeah, I don't know.
Low speed. So I do like the low, the medium, the high, the walk, and some of them twist. And you get a certain mode, but
Hold the throttle lever to walk the cart and release to stop.
this is if you want to put it in free wheel. If you're in a rut or something. See, I'm using my foot.
That is cool.
So it's like that's like your free wheel, like electronic free wheel. Horn. We're going full speed, baby. There's your battery. Miles per hour, which you don't see a lot with these type scooters coming right over here. Please don't hold this to me. I mean, armrests are small. It's fine. You can put some support there. I don't feel very unsafe, and you don't want people to put a lot of weight on the tiller, but I think you're all right. 21 inches, 21, so you should be good. Cruise, it folds up, good on the cruise. Basket. Got a handle on it, which I like. Let's see how easy it is to put on and off. I try to do some of these reviews as if first time getting it, right? So that's on there, okay. Pretty easy. About 15 inches. Between the arms, 16, 17 inches. Overall width, we said 21. You're not going to use this in the house, so you're not going to need it. But if I need to reverse, I got to
Reversing.
switch
Caution,
it. I mean, I guess you get the hang of it.
Oh,
I'm just so used to the
yeah.
going back and forth like this. Seriously, if you have a scooter and you're buying a new one and you buy this one, get used to putting it into forward and reverse because,
Caution, please.
and I wonder if there's a way to turn that off. I guess that's a good protection to you that it's saying reversing,
Reversing.
but you got to flip it.
Reversing.
One scooter person said there's no scooter out there made for left-hand riders. I got a couple of scooters that are made for left-hand drivers. This one is for a left or right hand. So that is a key. And that's probably why they went with this type of design. Did that light look okay? Where's it at? Right here?
Yeah, it seems like if it was dark, it'd be pretty bright.
All right, let me scoot on it. We'll do a review on this in the grass later. It does have a sensor that all these scooters are getting it. It slows it down on the big turns. That's from flipping it over. It says it goes on this thing up to 5 miles per hour. I don't know if that's 100% accurate, but it's quiet though.
And release to stop.
It's
Reversing.
quiet. It's
Caution.
smooth. There's a lot of stuff to like about this unit. Again, probably more of a flat surface unit, but I would imagine this can handle the parts because the tires are big. Nice unit. I give it a thumbs up, but we are in talks with them at becoming a dealer. But obviously we like to do product reviews before we sell anything, and we like to try to tear it up. We've always done that. And I'm not saying overly tear it up. I'm saying ride it hard and get the feedback that we're looking for. The last thing we want to do is sell you something that's not going to work. If there's something in the store that we don't like that gives us issues, we pull it. If you follow this channel, we did a review or an unboxing. Now this thing is actually kind of cool. It's like a 3-in-1. And we went in to do the review on this product and it gave us some problems. It was the A2 error code, which is a right motor fault. And then there you go. Things do happen. So we got the motor replaced. It's really not that difficult to do it. Pretty nice and easy if you ever had to change out this joystick. Paiseec was very good at answering the phone, how to communicate a little bit through email. If you're an online shopper, be used to communicating through email. And they got the part out to me and Brandon went back there and repaired it. Now we will get this and this one out to do our ride test review to see how they handle. I will tell you this 3-in-1 is really cool and a lot of people like it. Getting out of it's very easy if you have a hard time getting up. And when I say 3-in-1 is that this is a power rollator back here. So come back for our full product review on both of these products in a couple weeks. But if you have questions about this, our thoughts on it, if you're a dealer or a buyer, give us a call at 803-926-2224. You can also leave a comment in the reviews. If you have one of these, let us know what you think. The viewers want to know what you think if you are a user of this product. Bruce, start typing. Have a great day.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.